Budget 2026. Key expectations from 5 major sectors. As India prepares for the Union Budget 2026, expectations are running high across key sectors of the economy. With growth pressures, job creation, and digital transformation at the forefront, this budget is being closely watched for signals on policy direction and spending priorities. In today's Straight Up, let's break down the major budget expectations from 5 critical sectors that could shape India's economic and social trajectory in the coming year. Education sector. Move education spending closer to 6% of GDP. Sustained funding is necessary to improve classroom quality, infrastructure, and higher education capacity. It would allow reforms under NEP 2020 to move from policy intent to actual implementation. Over time, that would strengthen India's human capital and economic productivity. More funding for digital and AI-based learning. Digital tools can help scale education where teachers and resources are limited. Public funding would ensure that technology reaches government schools and rural students. This would reduce learning inequality and prepare students for future jobs. Teacher hiring and training, especially in rural areas. Teachers directly influence learning outcomes. Focused recruitment and training would improve education quality in unreserved regions. This would narrow long-standing urban-rural learning gaps. Healthcare sector. Higher spending on public hospitals and healthcare facilities. Public healthcare forms the backbone of affordable medical access. Adequate funding would improve capacity, staffing, and service quality. This would lower dependence on expensive private healthcare. Expand Ayushman Bharat coverage and limits. Insurance protection must keep pace with rising healthcare costs. Higher coverage would improve financial security during medical emergencies. It would prevent families from falling into long-term debts. More investment in mental health services. Mental health is now a public health priority. Increased investment would expand access to counseling and treatment. It would also improve overall productivity and well-being. Infrastructure and transport. Faster spending on roads, railways, and public transport. Infrastructure investment has a high economic multiplier. Faster execution would improve connectivity and mobility. It would also create jobs across sectors. Push for green infrastructure and electric mobility. The transition to cleaner transport requires sustained public support. Budgetary incentives would help scale adoption and supporting infrastructure. This would reduce emissions and long-term energy costs. Revive public-private partnerships. Triple P models mobilize private capital expertise. Clear risk-sharing mechanisms would encourage investor participation. This would accelerate large-scale infrastructure development. Agriculture and rural economy. Support agri-tech and digital farming. Technology improves efficiency and crop yields. Public support would help outcome adoption barriers. This would enable a more sustainable and modern agricultural system. More spending on irrigation and water management. Water security is central to farm productivity. Improved irrigation would reduce climate-related risks. It would enable more consistent and reliable crop output. Expand crop insurance coverage. Insurance helps farmers manage unpredictable losses. Wider coverage would improve financial resilience. It would also encourage investment in better farming practices. MSMEs and startups. Stronger credit guarantees for MSMEs. Access to finance remains a major growth constraint. Credit support would enable expansion and hiring. This would strengthen employment generation. Extend tax benefits for startups. Stable policy support improves investor confidence. It would allow startups to plan for the long term. This would drive innovation and business scale. Support women-led and rural businesses. Targeted support helps outcome structural barriers. It would promote inclusive entrepreneurship. This would expand local employment opportunities. The Union Budget 2026 is expected to strike a balance between fiscal discipline and growth-driven spending. How effectively it addresses these sectoral expectations will determine not just economic momentum but also long-term development outcomes. Which sector deserves the biggest push in Budget 2026? Join the conversation and comment below. Also, remember to like, share and subscribe to edX Live for more sharp breakdowns across India's biggest stories.